From the flood disaster in Texas still climbing, there are mounting questions about why it took so long to send an emergency alert out.
At least 120 people are dead, 172 people still missing from flooding across the state. Dispatch audio shows Kerr County officials waited 90 minutes to send an emergency alert after it was requested, a little after 4 a.m. on July 4th. A dispatcher told that firefighter it had to be approved by a supervisor.
We're not going to hide from everything. Those are important questions. We will answer those questions. I wish y'all would bear with me in that.
We probably needed a better alarm system. So let's just be blunt. Between the local, state, whatever, we'll figure out why. But kind of why is not going to bring anybody back. What we need to do is figure out how to make sure going forward we have all the proper systems in place so that everyone can get alerted.
A meeting for a flood warning system had been planned for mid-July. Last night, families in Kerrville held a prayer service to mourn the lives lost as search teams continued looking for flood victims.
Shalom. I want to begin this lesson first and foremost by giving all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Rakakadash. And that's like to give double honors to our teachers, the apostles, the elders of Great Millstone, GMS, who taught all of us 100% truth according to the Bible, who's being great examples to us in the faith. And that's like to give double shalom to the elders, the bishops that been laboring, shalom to the elect. Look, it's going down. The Lord's making moves. More evils, more bad times. All right, and this is from ABC 7. At least 120 are unalive in catastrophic floods in Texas. 172 are still missing. And this is the Lord's doing, man. This is the doing of Yahweh Ba'ashem Shai, who the word can call God and Jesus. Okay, the scriptures say that the Lord is going to visit you with storms, with tempests, flame, a devouring fire. Look, are we not seeing that? Are we not seeing storms? Are we not seeing the tempest, which is a mighty storm? All right. Let's bring out scripture. Let's go to Amos. Remember, should there be evils in the city and the Lord have not done it? And these alarm systems that they're trying to set in place, that's not going to do you any good, because you never know when Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua is going to strike. All right. And the Lord's not going to come down and warn you when He's going to strike. He do it on His time. Okay? That's the thing about it. The Lord's going to strike on His time. Okay? So those alert systems, it's not going to do you any good. All right? But anyway, this is Amos 3 and verse 6. Shall a trumpet be blown in the city, and the people not be afraid? Should there be evils in the city and the Lord have not done it? All right, who's bringing the evils? Who's doing all the killing? Who's keeping the people alive? It's the Lord. And look, I get it. I'm going to get it. Isaiah 45, and I got Isaiah 29:6 on that. I'm going to bring that out as well. Isaiah 45 and 7. I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and create evils. Evil means bad times. It says, I, the Lord, do all these things. So the bad times that are transpire on the earth, from the shootings, the stabbings, the killing, the storms, the flooding, the fires, all that, right? The Lord did it. The Lord's doing it. What should it say? The Lord make peace. The Lord creates evils. Bad times. And that flooding testing was bad time for a whole lot of people. Let's go to Isaiah. Still in Isaiah. Let's go to 29. Because everybody trying to figure out who's bringing the storms, who's bringing the earthquakes, who's bringing the thunderstorms, the fires. Everyone says Mother Nature. And by the way, Mother Nature is not real. Mother Nature doesn't exist. They're just another deity, man. All right, it's Yahweh Ba'ashem Shai, man. All right. This is Isaiah 29:6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts, the Lord of armies, Yahweh Shemashai. Once again, who you can call God Jesus, with thunder. And what comes after that? Lightning. And who's making it happen? Yahweh Shemashai. It says, and with earthquakes. It said, had an earthquake not too long ago. Okay? It says, and earthquakes are happening every day, you know, in these different diverse places. All right? It says, and great earthquakes. With earthquakes and great noise, with storm and tempest, and the flames of devouring fire. Yeah, with storm and tempest. A storm, right? And a tempest, which is a mighty storm. All right, and with these storms brings what? Flooding. And that's how the Lord is visiting Texas. All kind of people houses got flooded the hell out. All right, a lot of people got deleted, and people are still unaccounted for. Look, 172 people are still missing, and more than likely, they're probably deleted somewhere. All right. It says, in the flame of devouring fire, and you got all kind of house fires going on right about now. Forest fires, wildfires are happening right about now, burning up everything. And who's making it happen? Yahweh Shemar Shai. Going back to the first scripture I brought out in Amos in 3, shall there be evils in the city, bad times, and the Lord have not done it. Nowhere does it say Mother Nature have done it. No, the Lord, all right, is doing these things. And it's not going to get any better. That's why we need to be seeking Yahweh Shemashah. You Israel, you better be searching for the Lord. You better be searching. You better be searching all over the place for the Lord. You better be trying to find the Lord, because that's where your protection lies. Okay? And that's what we commanded to do. Seek the Lord and live. All right? Because if not, judgment's coming. All right? And you're not going to escape either. The Lord already said there's none that can deliver out of his hands. And all of us are in the hands of the Lord. Okay? I'll bring out this Ecclesiastes 9:12. For man also knoweth not his time, man and woman. As the fishes that are taken in the evil net, and as the birds that are caught in a snare, meaning a trap, so are the sons of men. It says, so are the sons of men snare, meaning trap, in the evil time, when it falls suddenly upon them. All right? These bad times are gonna fall upon our people suddenly, when you least expect it, just like that storm. All right? All of us better be seeking the Lord. Because look, Yahweh Shemshah is making moves in the earth. He's making moves. Everything that's coming, these people deserve it. Why? Because they proud. And the Lord's going to pay these people back for their proudness. This is 2 Esdras 8:50. For many great miseries shall be done to them that's in the latter time shall dwell in the world, the times that we're in now, because they have walked in great pride. And ain't this American slogan? They proud to be an American. So the Lord is giving these people exactly what they deserve. Okay? He's giving them exactly what they deserve, man. All right? Everyone thought peace was coming. No. Let me get it. You thought 2025 was going to be your best year. These people had no clue what's coming. You people have no clue what the Lord's getting ready to bring. All right? Ezekiel 7 and 25, destruction cometh. And they should seek peace, and there should be none. That's what's coming. Down the pike, destruction. Whole lot of destruction. You know? And look, more evils. All that. So we most definitely need to be seeking the Lord more than ever. And that's in the news. Shalom.